We're glad that we're Italian, authentic Abruzzese. I own that large Calvino, and I've a hunk of Puccini. For us each night's a thriller, Chianti flowing free. I thought you owned the villa. I still repeat, Puccini. I think us rude, but Chinese food, that's strictly for Yanks. Food Asian, Caucasian, that's for Sadie Banks. Sadie Banks, we're glad that we're Italian, that we're two singing wops. Don't get racial, Charlie. You'll find us out each evening, cruising those espresso shops. Linguini sends me reeling. Will someone pass the cheese? I like mine mozzarella. Sprinkle mine with anchovies. We're both of the soil. We're always will yearn. Each dish is rare. But Frank, I swear. What? I'm getting heartburn. You want a tum? Don't take back our medallion. For singing harmony.